Good morning kids, myself Priyanka Kataria from Samarpan Gyan School. Kids, today we are going to learn about in and out. Look at the pictures. Kids, look at the picture. What you have to see here. Some pictures are given. You have to understand that what are going to say that picture. First look at this picture. There is one box and in box there is one ball. So what it's going to say that the ball is in the box. So it is called in. Here the ball is out of the box. So it is called out. So today we learn about the difference between the in and out. The things that are put into the box, that is called in, and the things that are put into the out, that is called out. Okay. Here some eggs are in the tray, that is in. And here some eggs are out, that is out. So in and out. Okay. Here pencil rubber are in the compass box, that is in, and pencil rubbers are in the out. Compass in the outside of the compass box, that is out. In and out. Here parrot is in the cage, that is in, and it is in out, that is out. Means here picture you have to see, then you understand that what is in and out. We sit in the home, that is in. When we go out to play, that is out. So when you look at the picture, you came to know what is the difference between the in and out. Okay. Now here, look at the objects in the pictures and tick the ones that are in. You have to tick that pictures that in. Now look at here. Here one ball is there in the box. Here pencil rubbers are there. Here flowers in the vase. And here the ball is out. What we have to do, we have to tick that ones, that pictures that is in. So ball is in, so you have to tick this. Pencils are in the box, that you have to tick. And the vase is flowers are also in the vase. So these three pictures are look in, and this is one box, but ball is out of the box. We have to tick just in. So these three pictures you have to take. Look at the objects in the pictures and circle the ones that are out. Here you have to tick in, and here you have to recognize first out of the objects and tick. Here ball is in, fruits out, so you have to tick. Books out of the box bag, and flowers is out of the vase. So these three pictures are out, means objects are out. Okay, fruits, flowers and books. So you have to tick these three pictures. With this activity you came to know that what are the pictures, or what are the difference between the in and out pictures. Okay. Here tick the dog that is in and circle the dog that is out. First of all, so you have to tick that dog which is in and circle that dog that is out. So you have to tick this, this and this, because the dog is in the car, in the house and in the basket. Then circle that dog that are out. Out of the car, out of the home, out of the tent. Okay kids. So kids understand these differences and came to know, found out some more in and out pictures and say and practice more. Thank you.